It's easy, have fun.
Drive carefully, David. Bye, Mace.
Bob and Glenn go on their first date. Here we are digging the pit. What? What are you doing? All right, folks, we had a little drone mishap here. What are we doing here, Glenn?
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Well,
what are we doing?
well, Bob and Greg were driving the dune buggy, and it's their fault, you know?
Well, what's their fault?
I flew my drone in the trees.
So Glenn's gonna get up in the bucket truck, and get a drone and stuck up in a tree. New Maverick. Right into the tree. This ought to be good, folks. How to get a drone out? Come on, buddy. That bad.
It doesn't just think ditches, it
The trees. Yeah.
Thanks, Eric.
Thanks, Eric.